Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add multiple sounds on TikTok app. Let's start. At first you have to open your TikTok app. After that, tap on the plus icon. Then if you want to shoot a video, you can do it, or you want to upload a video or photo from your gallery, tap on here. After that, choose the photo or video that you want. Then tap on the video or photo. Then tap on next. After that, tap on edit. In here you can add a sound by tapping on add sound. You can choose from the TikTok app. Then you can listen the music, or you can use it by tapping on use. After that, you can adjust the sound. You can minimize the sound like this. Then go back. In here, scroll like this and tap on overlay. From here you can choose the videos with the sound. For example, I want to add this one. Then tap on next, and you'll find an overlay on your video and put it like this. Then you can only extract the sound, and you can also crop it, or you can adjust it like you want. If you want to split it, you can do it, or also you can delete the other clips like this. And here, if you want to add another overlay, you can also do it by tapping on here and then choose the video that you want. Then tap on next, and like the previous way, you can put it like this, and you can adjust the sound. Also split it and delete the sound. And for listening, play the video and listen the sounds. Then if you tap on save, you can save the changes. So this is how you can add multiple musics on TikTok app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.